Impeachment saga looms. Imo Assembly under pressure to remove Governor Hope Uzodima. Nigerians, Governor Hope Uzodima is in a serious trouble. Ahead of the state protest slated to hold on undisclosed dates by Occupy Imo Group, members of Imo State House of Assembly is said to be under serious pressure to impeach Governor Hope Uzodima. Fabian, the former aide to the said that the Occupy Imo Group will also submit documents of impeachment offense against Hope Uzodima, who they accuse of truancy. In a statement on Tuesday, Fabian disclosed through his media handle that Imo people have angrily rejected the Hope Uzodima, whom under his shared prosperity he served as Commissioner for Foreign Affairs, while charging the State Assembly to impeach Governor Hope Uzodima. Dr. Fabian promised that Occupy Imo Group would resist every attempt by Uzodima to oppress Imo people. Meanwhile, some political loyalists to Governor Hope Uzodima, who spoke to impartial observers on condition of anonymity, have expressed disappointment over what they described as selfishness. In a separate chat with our correspondent on Thursday, they alleged that the banded Imo State shortly after Supreme Court verdict, which declared him winner of controversial 2023 clip poll. An advisor is told our correspondent that he is yet to pay some of his appointees, while those who are receiving salaries are yet to be given operational vehicles and office. Okay, that is that about that. Una know say the matter when they grant all these things, people go just want to how it go take happen. E no easy. Now this country with the see say they no fit dey impeach any politician when they office. So that is why you see them do what they do. Well, let's hit another news. Governor Alex Oti uncovers real sponsors behind gunmen attack in Abia State. He said they are not IPOB. Governor Oti accuses opposition politicians with external support of sponsoring violence in Abia State. Attacks, including the killing of soldiers and police, aim to destabilize the government and distract the government from its development agenda. So Oti promises a counter-offensive to eradicate criminal activities and maintain peace in the state. Alex Oti has accused opposition politicians in collaboration with external parties of being behind the current wave of insecurity in the state. The governor's statement comes amid rising gunmen attacks and violence in the region, which has raised concerns among residents and security officials alike. Another attack occurred on Sunday, November 16, when gunmen killed a police officer during an assault on the convoy of a Nigerian lawmaker, while the Nigerian government also accused the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, of orchestrating the violence. IPOB has denied any involvement. Governor Oti says politicians are responsible for the attacks. In a statement released on Monday, November 18, by his media aide, Governor Oti reviewed that his administration has uncovered that opposition politicians in the state, rather than IPOB, are responsible for sponsoring the attacks. So he explained that the violence started in late May and has continued to escalate as part of a strategy to disrupt his administration's focus on development. The sole agenda is to cause disaffection and distract the government from its focus on the development of the state, Oti said. He further added that the opposition efforts to fabricate lies against the government had failed and now they were resorting to violence. Now, wow. Nigerians go say nothing when politicians not a fit to, you understand? So fear them. Fear politicians. Because I see no reason why somebody, because of hatred or just because you want the person to be discredited, then you go about killing people. These are human beings, not be animal, not they pie, na human being, okay? So it not make sense. So guys, I'm dropping it here. Kindly drop your comment below the comment section. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you and bye for now.